Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code and make a payment using Google Pay, even if the QR code is saved in your phone's gallery. A lot of people don't know this, but Google Pay actually allows you to upload a QR code directly from your photos instead of scanning it with the camera. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone and log in using your Google PIN. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the option that says Scan any QR code. You'll now see the QR code scanner appear on your screen. Just below the scanner, you'll find an option that says Upload from Gallery. Tap on that. This will open your phone's gallery where you can select the QR code image that you've received, maybe through WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other app. Once you've selected the image, Google Pay will automatically detect the QR code and process the payment. From there, simply confirm the payment details, enter your UPI PIN, and your transaction will be completed successfully. And that's it. Quick and easy. You don't even need to point your camera at a QR code anymore if you already have it saved on your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick mobile and tech tutorials.